comes to building a cheaper car, most people immediately think of cutting parts, removing comfort, or reducing battery range. But what's happening inside Giga Texas is completely different. Elon Musk decided to tackle the root of the problem: the way cars are manufactured. Instead of assembling thousands of parts like an infinite jigsaw puzzle, Tesla developed a radical approach using 50,000-ton gigacasting machines. Instead of welding and bolting parts together, these machines pour molten aluminum into giant molds and create the Model 2's front, rear, and battery pack structure like toy parts, only with aerospace precision. This process drastically reduces assembly complexity. Instead of using nearly 30,000 components like traditional cars, the Model 2 requires only 423. Fewer parts means less chance of error, shorter production time, reduced logistics, and less rework. But what's most striking isn't just the speed, but also the savings. Approximately $7,000 is saved per unit using this method alone. And all this without compromising strength. The car's structure is made of 6061 T6 aluminum, the same used in aircraft applications, heat-treated to achieve 400 megapascals of tensile strength. This type of aluminum can withstand extreme impacts and doesn't deform easily. And with just 120 kilograms of structural weight, the Model 2 becomes the lightest car ever made by Tesla, which directly impacts efficiency. Lighter weight means less energy to move, greater range, and, as a bonus, less tire and brake wear. But the magic doesn't stop there. This large-scale casting also eliminates the need for over 90% of the welds used in traditional vehicles. While a competing SUV might have over 5,000 spot welds, the Model 2 uses only about 300. And with fewer welds, noise and wear issues over the years virtually disappear. Instead of dozens of workers lined up with welders in hand, Tesla uses aerospace-grade adhesive and an automated process that reduces part joining time and increases assembly precision. This not only strengthens the structure, but also prevents small flaws that could compromise safety in a crash. Furthermore, this structural efficiency allows the Model 2 to have 30% greater torsional rigidity than the Model 3, withstanding up to 1.3 tons of pressure without deforming. This added rigidity isn't just a pretty number on paper. It means safer cornering, a feeling of control at high speeds, and much less squeaking over the years. A well-structured car is like a well-built house. It lasts longer, requires less maintenance, and inspires confidence. And speaking of durability, the Model 2's chassis is expected to comfortably last 30 years without needing major repairs. Something practically unthinkable in the affordable car market. This changes the game not only for the buyer, but also for the used car market, and even for the way Tesla designs its maintenance chain. Another interesting point is the logistical impact of this revolution. With fewer parts, less transportation between suppliers, and less need for inventory, production becomes more sustainable and more resilient to global crises such as semiconductor shortages or logistical bottlenecks. Tesla isn't just saving money, it's shielding itself from the bottlenecks that have paralyzed other automakers in recent years. And when you consider that each fewer part represents one less step of verification, adjustment, and quality control, the gain is even more evident. This approach also facilitates future upgrades. If Tesla wants to change something in the chassis, like a reinforcement or a different battery mount, they simply adjust the Giga press mold. They don't need to rethink hundreds of parts. It's like changing the shape of a single block, not a house of cards. This flexibility reduces engineering costs and accelerates innovation cycles. In a world where efficiency is the currency of survival, this could put Tesla light years ahead of its rivals. And the most interesting thing is that, by simplifying the structure, Tesla also simplifies the customer experience. Fewer structural problems, fewer visits to the repair shop, more confidence in the car. And this, in the end, may be the factor that most wins over families. Now imagine a car rolling off the assembly line every 4.7 seconds. It's not an exaggeration nor a futuristic concept. It's what Tesla is about to achieve with the Model 2. This insane production pace is only possible thanks to the so-called unboxed process, where the car's three main parts, front, rear, and battery pack, are simultaneously cast, transported to a central location, and fitted together like Lego bricks in a single synchronized flow. The secret? Millimeter-precise coordination between robots, sensors, and software. And here comes a key component that almost no one expected to see in a car factory: Starlink. Yes, the same satellite network that provides high-speed internet around the world is now being used inside Giga Texas to connect machines with latency of just 20 to 30 milliseconds. This allows a robot to identify a fault in real time and send an alert to the central system before the part even leaves the station. No pauses, queues, or delays. And with speeds of up to 250 megabits per second per node, communication between sensors and artificial intelligence makes the process incredibly efficient. While other automakers still rely on manual inspections at the end of the line, Tesla fixes everything before the error even takes shape. This speed boost isn't just a matter of industrial vanity. Amid a 13% drop in Tesla sales in the first 7 months of 2025 and the aggressive push of Chinese models under $10,000, Elon Musk needed a quick and forceful response. The accelerated production of the Model 2 presents itself as that answer. The first 3 million units are expected to hit the streets in less than 2 months, a number that would make any competitor tremble. And the timing couldn't be more strategic. The 250% tariffs imposed on Chinese electric vehicles have practically opened the door to Tesla's local dominance. Inside the factory, the flow seems orchestrated. Molten aluminum at 700 degrees is injected into molds with 34 megapascals of pressure, filling the spaces in just 0.95 seconds. Cooling occurs immediately afterward, with a 5 to 5 degree alkaline air system and 300 water channels circulating at 500 liters per minute, solidifying the block in 1.5 seconds. This entire process transforms 3 chassis parts into solid structures ready for assembly in just 2.45 seconds. Final assembly, where everything fits together precisely, takes another 2.25 seconds. Result? A complete Model 2 chassis is ready in 4.7 seconds. This speed wouldn't be feasible if Tesla hadn't also rethought the car's design to be modular and easy to fit together. The unboxed process eliminates the reliance on sequential lines, where a single error can shut down the entire factory. Here, each module is assembled in parallel and only comes together when everything is 100% tested. This logic also allows for more compact and flexible gigafactories, which can be built closer to consumer markets. And that's why Giga Texas has become the showcase for the company's new industrial model. Another notable detail is the lack of rework. While a welding failure in traditional factories can take up to 2 hours to fix, at Giga Texas this doesn't exist. Starlink ensures a robust network, and the factory's AI can interpret millions of signals simultaneously. If something isn't within parameters, the machine stops, corrects, and restarts, all in seconds. This reduces waste and virtually eliminates defective cars from leaving the production line. And when you look at the practical impact of this, you realize that Model 2 buyers won't have to wait months for their car. If pre-orders are made in December 2025, delivery could happen as early as January. No lines, no waiting, no frustration. And to incentivize early buyers, Tesla is also expected to offer year-end bonuses of up to $2,500 per unit, making the final price even more affordable. For the first time, the dream of owning a Tesla can fit within the budgets of ordinary families. With this frenetic production structure and the full integration of software, robotics, and spatial connectivity, the Model 2 is moving from a distant promise to a tangible reality. And more than just a car, it represents a paradigm shift in how vehicles are manufactured, delivered, and perceived by consumers. What once took weeks can now happen in a matter of hours. And that changes everything. If the revolution was initially confined to the factory, it now extends to the owner's financial life. The Model 2 arrives with the new FSD V14, an autonomous driving system that's 10 times safer than an average human driver, according to the most recent tests. This update isn't just a software upgrade, but a complete re-engineering of how the car sees and reacts to its surroundings. With more parameters, increased processing power, and ultra-fast response times, it's designed to handle complex situations like multi-lane intersections, sudden lane changes, and unexpected pedestrians. This transforms the car into something far beyond a means of transportation, an asset capable of generating real passive income. The big advantage is that the Model 2 can work while parked in the garage. Thanks to Tesla's Robo-Taxi network, the vehicle can automatically integrate with an autonomous transportation system, taking passengers around the city without the need for a driver. Each ride can earn between $5 and $15, depending on the route and time. If the car operates 6 to 8 hours a day, annual earnings can exceed $35,000 net, equivalent to the average salary of an office worker in the U.S. All this without the owner having to worry about shifts, schedules, or additional maintenance. This passive income model completely changes the concept of car ownership. Traditionally, a car is a liability. You buy it, it depreciates, and then you have to pay for fuel, insurance, and maintenance. The Model 2 turns this logic on its head. It can not only pay for itself over time, but also become a source of profit. And Tesla hasn't stopped there. The charge share system will allow owners to sell the energy stored in their car's battery to the Tesla network or directly to other vehicles at charging stations. During periods of high demand, this energy can be sold at higher prices, yielding around $75 per month or $900 per year simply by being plugged in at the right time. RideLend is another example of how the Model 2 was designed for everyday use. While the car is parked, which happens 95% of the time with private vehicles, it can be loaned to Tesla's autonomous ride-sharing fleet. By adjusting availability through the app, the owner determines when the car can leave for work and when it should be available for personal use. This not only generates extra income, but also optimizes the use of an asset that would otherwise sit idle. Another important financial differentiator is the Smart Trade Guarantee. This program promises to maintain 75% of the Model 2's resale value after 5 years of ownership. In comparison, a Honda Civic, for example, maintains an average of 50% of its value over the same period. This guarantee reduces the risk of depreciation and puts more money in the owner's pocket when they decide to trade in their car. For a vehicle under $25,000, this difference can translate into up to a $5,000 advantage over traditional competitors. This set of solutions transforms the Model 2 into a platform car. It's not just about driving, but about participating in a smart grid that blends transportation, energy, and personal finance. It's as if each owner becomes a mobility and energy micro-entrepreneur. Without the need for active management, Tesla itself does the heavy lifting. Maintenance, software updates, integration into the Robo-Taxi network, and paying profits directly to the owner. Interestingly, all of this ties into the car's hardware advancements. After wrapping up Project Dojo in 2025, Tesla began working with TSMC and Samsung to develop AI-5 and AI-6 chips, optimized to process artificial intelligence directly in the vehicle. This means latencies of less than 10 milliseconds, processing trillions of calculations per second, and instantaneous decision-making in traffic. This powerful brain is what allows the Model 2 to operate as a robo-taxi safely and reliably, paving the way for each unit to function as a node in the world's largest autonomous network. Essentially, it's a complete reinterpretation of car ownership. The Model 2 isn't just a cheap, modern car. It's a service in itself, a revenue-generating device, and a space connected to the digital economy. And for families, retirees, or young entrepreneurs, this can mean financial freedom, more flexibility, and even a new source of income to fund education, travel, or healthcare without increasing their workload. The Model 2's revenue-generating capabilities don't stop with autonomous driving or energy sales. It's also designed to adapt to its owner's lifestyle in a chameleon-like fashion. Tesla unveiled a groundbreaking concept called Lifelex, a system of interior modules that completely transforms the car's interior in just 90 minutes, with installation done at the brand's hubs. There are 12 different configurations that change everything from the seats to the cargo compartments, allowing the same vehicle to serve completely different profiles, from a family man to a freelancer working on the road, or even a traveling pet owner, all without having to change cars. In practice, this means the owner can use the Model 2 as a school bus in the morning, a mobile office in the afternoon, and a delivery vehicle on weekends. Each module fits into fixed points inside, and the car's sensors automatically detect the installed layout to adjust ventilation, lighting, and security. The dashboard also adapts, displaying relevant information depending on usage. This adaptability not only saves money, but also saves time and planning. After all, there's no longer a need for a car for every occasion. The Model 2 adapts to your daily routine, and it doesn't stop there. The Model 2's trunk has a capacity of 550 liters, 25% larger than the Chevrolet Bolt's, and its distinguishing feature lies in its intelligent compartments. Movable dividers, folding panels, and weight sensors make it possible to configure the space according to the week's needs. Whether it's a trip to the grocery store, a trip with camping gear, or transporting tools for renovations. This logistical intelligence eliminates the old lack of space dilemma, even in a compact car. Another brilliant detail is the car's exterior panel. With the system's Styleshift, the user can change the body colors and patterns through an app. That's right, no painting required. The panels are covered with an electronically adjustable layer that allows you to change the car's look with a tap of your phone. Today, blue, tomorrow, pearly white. It's also possible to add custom prints, camouflage patterns, or even small works of art. For younger people, this is a form of expression that goes far beyond traditional customization. It's identity in motion. This system isn't just visual. Changing the pattern can also have a practical purpose. For example, during the day, the car can display light tones to reflect heat and save energy on air conditioning. At night, the owner can opt for a darker, more discreet look. It's a feature designed not only to please the eye, but also to save battery life and adapt to the environment. This shows how Tesla is thinking about details that the competition hasn't even begun to consider yet. The most intriguing aspect of this mutable design is its impact on consumer behavior. Instead of switching cars with each change in lifestyle, profession, or city, the Model 2 owner can simply update the interior,